So this is the NIV Verse Mapping Bible, and it's a Bible that helps you go just a little bit deeper in your Bible study. So this is just the cover, but you can slide out the Bible like this, and you find a hard cover Verse Mapping Bible. This is what the spine looks like. Simply says NIV Verse Mapping Bible and NIV Zondervan at the bottom. It's a hardbound book, but it's also kind of a cloth cover as well. It's soft-ish, but definitely hardbound. I think the aesthetic of the Bible is very nice. I would definitely carry this around on Sunday morning as well. But the unique thing about this Bible is this verse mapping system. And it describes how to do it, but I find it's even easier to learn by doing. So throughout the Bible, you'll find these full-page examples of how to do it. There's 5 steps. Step 1, just write out the verse. Step 2, look it up in other translations and note similar or different words. Step 3, look up these words in the original languages. Step 4, talk about the actions that are happening in the verse. And step 5, write down what God is telling you to do today because of this verse. So there's examples with certain verses throughout the Bible, but then at the end of each book, there's also blank pages where you can do this completely on your own with the verses that you choose. In addition to that, there's also space in the margins where you can journal your own notes, and it's lined so it's easy to make everything nice and neat. And at the beginning of each book, there's a little bit about the book, which can help you in your study as well. I like that the pages aren't nearly as thin as a lot of Bibles out there today. They're not quite as thick as a standard book, but definitely thicker and easier to write on than like those really thin-paged Bibles. The Bible also has one of these standard Bible bookmarks, which is useful for keeping your page. This one's kind of a silver color, which is a nice aesthetic. And there's also a topical index in the back, helpful for looking up those words that you're studying. I find it to be a nice Bible. It's well made, really helps you to map out verses in the Bible, helping you to study them a little bit deeper. And I think it's a good way to slow down in your Bible reading and really seek to get the most out of it when you read the Bible. I would recommend it.
There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.